Welcome back to BAS 120. We're looking at example 3.1 and 3.2, and I've downloaded from the online statistics the number employed in the state of Alabama by various different types, and we want to make a bar chart out of this. So let me show you how to do that. We want to chart this stuff, so we go into Excel and we highlight the areas that we want to chart. Once we highlight it, we're going to say insert a column chart. Let's do this first one. Now, this doesn't look very much like our end product for a couple of reasons. Notice, first of all, this whole section right up here, whole bunch of tools when we're on the chart, design it, layout, format it, is all there. But this doesn't look exactly, it doesn't vary, I don't like this. So we can go to select data and we can, let's put all of these titles on the horizontal axis, and we can just say switch our columns in our row. And we're not interested in all these series of data, we're just interested in all employees split between men and women. So we can remove all except those first series of data for us. First three series of data. So I'm massaging this a little bit to get exactly what we want. Okay, now we don't really like it being called series 1, 2, and 3. So let's edit this and let's title this All Employees. Let's title this by editing men. And let's edit this and title this women. And let's hit OK. And now you notice we've got a nice little chart, very similar to what the book has. We can do a couple things. We can go to layout and we can add a chart title, put it above. What did they want to call this? Alabama employment. Oh, I got a little carried away. Alabama employment. There we go. Alabama employment. You can see lots of options. Notice when I'm off the chart, I don't have, and then as soon as I hit the chart, I get these chart tools. So, I can format this thing. I can put a nice border around it. I can give it a nice shaded background. All sorts of things I could do. Now, I could change the chart title, which is 3.2. I could go over here to change chart type. Maybe I want them stacked. So I stack it, and there's my stacked by chart. Maybe I want it in terms of a line chart, right? So I just say there's a line chart. So there's lots of things you can do. And I encourage you to play around and make it your own and have fun with this. Since I already have a chart there, I'm going to delete this one. It's just as easy as that. Hope that helps. This is part of data visualization, how to take a lot of data and visually present it.